Hey y'all, welcome back. We're getting ready for us adventures. Kimberly here. Now what's the first thing you want to do after a tough hike? Yeah, I'm talking to you foodies. You want to explore a new restaurant. Well, the one we're checking out today is called the Beer Station in Junction City, Oregon. It's about 25 miles from where we've been hiking. I hear they have the food truck vibe. So there's some different cuisines to choose from. Also heard they have more than 30 beers on tap, including ciders, CBD sodas, and a tequila bar. I've also been told it's like the hangout for a Friday night. They have tons of stuff on their venue, including dwarf wrestling, so that would be interesting. However, we are going during the week, so it's likely that there's not going to be much going on. But it'll give us a good chance to check it out, try the food, and see if we want to return. So come along with us, and let's check out this cool hotspot. Junction City, Oregon is perhaps best known for its history to the railroad. The town was named with the intention of building the railroad hub, the West Side Rail Line. Although the hub was never built, there is a historic steam locomotive that was presented by the Finnish government, located just catty-corner from this cool restaurant. You can find the beer station at 495 Holly Street in Junction City. Every weekend on their built-in stage, they have live music or karaoke or some other entertainment on the venue. Not only is this a family-friendly restaurant, but you can also bring your furry pets on a leash. We'll start our tour outside. There was a Mexican food truck, a sushi food truck, a barbecue food truck, and a very rare Mayan cuisine food truck. Let's look around inside. As we made our way inside, we were greeted with the friendliest smile of the owner, Nelson Rosales. With over 30 beers on tap, I had a hard time deciding, but ended up going for a citrus IPA. Located downstairs was a tequila lounge. Hi. My son decided to try the sushi.
I wanted the spicy salmon. Spicy salmon?
Is that like is that a sushi roll? Is that what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, most of it is like sushi over here in this stuff is like monster sushi.
Nice. This is really cool. I didn't know it was here.
Yeah, we've been here like almost 1 year, like 2 months of this.
Oh, very cool. Awesome.
Something like that.
I wanted to try the Mayan food. Okay, I think I'm gonna try the pamboza.
Pambazo?
Pambazo.
Pambazo? Oh, you want a pambazo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's a really fried.
Okay. I'm excited. I've never had Mayan food before. So this will be really new and interesting for me. Like, would you order it again? Is it spicy enough?
Ooh, yeah, it is spicy. Good.
I was thrilled. I will definitely order this again. This Mayan sandwich is typically made with telera bread, which is rolled in a red pepper sauce and traditionally filled with potatoes and chorizo, including lettuce and crema. It was surprisingly delicious. I give the beer station 5 stars.